What's going on, everybody? It's your girl Chanel Stevens, and I'm back again with another video. And in this video, as you can see, I'm currently at this resort right now, all-inclusive resort. They got a water park, they got jacuzzis. You can see outside my room right here. This is my room right here. But as you can see, we got the swim out pool right outside my hotel room, and we got a pool over there, jacuzzis, stuff like that, bar. It's a really dope resort. I hope I don't get copyrighted sitting out here, but I really just wanted to make this video and just show you guys how blessed I am to be able to live this lifestyle. It's all thanks to CPA Marketing. I want to actually show you guys some results. Let me flip this camera here and show you guys what I've been able to do today so far. As you can see, I've been able to make over $1,500 so far, and it's not even noon yet. So yeah, $1,500 so far today, and it's all thanks to CPA affiliate marketing, guys. This is the best business model. I don't want to get copyrighted on this video, so I'm gonna just close this up. A lot of you guys really underestimate the power of CPA marketing because it seems, you know, like you need a bunch of money to get started, all these tools and resources and trainings. But really, guys, it's about just picking out one offer, right? One offer can literally change your life. As you can see, as I just showed you my results, that's one offer producing me those results. I'm gonna make close to over 3K today in revenue, and that's all from one offer. So you don't need 10 offers. A lot of you guys are testing out a bunch of offers, trying out a bunch of different traffic sources. You only need one offer, one traffic source, and one good ad to really have everything going for yourself. Of course, once you have the one ad working for you, you want to test out another ad, but max, I probably have 2 to 3 ads working at one time on any given platform. You know, I prefer social platforms. So that's really all you need to like really crush it and get results for yourself. But let me just go ahead and let you guys know something. This business allows you so much freedom. Not only are you able to make as much money as you want, you're able to have a bunch of time freedom, right? Because you literally, it's not like an e-commerce business where you have customer service and shipping and all this different stuff you got to do once you make money. You literally pick out an offer, and I say pick out an offer that's simple. Pick out an offer like an email submit or a lead form, so where somebody fills out a simple form and you literally get paid. Guys, all I do is focus on CPL type offers, and I'm literally able to live this lifestyle. This is not cost per sale offers where I need $100 per sign up and stuff like that, right? I literally get paid per lead for somebody filling out a simple form, and I'm able to make money. I don't have to worry about following up. I don't have to worry about shipping anything, customer service. I literally make my money, and you know, I pay taxes at the, and that's it, right? The simplest business model that you can ever do. Because if you think about all these different businesses out there, it's so much more to it than just putting up an ad, getting somebody to fill out a form or buy something and making money, right? It's usually a lot more to it. So that's what I want to say, guys. You're literally only trying to master one niche, one offer, one traffic source. If you can just get that formula down, you could really change things for yourself. CPA marketing is the best business out there that you can start in 2024. And I'm literally living proof. I've been doing this years and years and years and years. You guys see me living my dream life for years and years and years and years, right? All off this business. And I'm able to take all these vacations, right? And just like, look at this room. Like, just check out, like, I literally got a swim out pool. Like, do you guys know I used to shop at Dollar Tree? Do you guys know I used to work at a warehouse? Like, do you guys know I used to drive a 1998 Ford Explorer with a broken window with freaking plastic over the window because my window wouldn't roll down and somebody accidentally rolled it down. So after they rolled it down, I was cooked. I didn't have money for anything, guys. I was broke, busted, and disgusted. And now you see me living my dream life, all off one offer, one traffic source. Not saying that's the only thing I've mastered. I test out many different traffic sources. I have other things going now, but when I first started, guys, it was one offer, one traffic source, right? One ad. It started from one ad, and from that ad I remixed it, and it turned into 2 ads. You don't need all these resources. You don't need a bunch of things to really make a living and a life for yourself with this business. That's why all I'm trying to prove in this video. Make everything simple. Don't oversimplify it to the fact that you don't take action and you're confusing yourself and you're just throwing some crap up, right? If you need help, get help. If you need help, go out there, find media buyers, find somebody that can help you set up your Facebook ads. If you want, you can set up a private coaching call with me. I can help you get started, right? I can help you scale if you're at that point. But even if you don't want my help, it's other people out there that can make your ads for you, right? People that can help you make your landing page, make you a converting landing page. It's people out there that can make you converting ad creatives. It's people out there that can help you. So if you are somebody who's struggling and you're not taking action because you simply don't know what to do to get started, I'm giving you the keys on what to do. Go out there and get help. That's what I did. I took dozens of courses. I've learned so much. I used to watch YouTube videos all the time, so I know what you guys are feeling. I understand what position you guys are in. You guys are looking for some secret. You guys are looking for an action plan. You're looking for that day-to-day setup that you need to do to be able to make a life for yourself. So I understand where you're at. And I'm just on here to basically show you living proof that it is possible to keep everything simple and run a simple business like CPA Marketing and actually make a living for yourself, actually make a life for yourself. And you're not tied down to an office. You're not tied down to your laptop all day. I work at max 1-2 hours a day, maybe. And that's not even guaranteed. And as you can see, the other half, I'm out here. I'm on vacation. I'm living the life of my dreams. So that's what I'm about to do now. About to go jump in this pool. First, I'm gonna go get me a drink from the bar because they have an all-inclusive bar with top shelf liquor because I am, elite Marriott. So yeah, as you can see, elite Marriott member. So I get all the perks that come with it. Diamond Club at this resort, so I have an all-inclusive access to all-inclusive bar, top shelf liquor. So I'm about to go grab a couple drinks, hop in the pool, then I'm gonna go hit the beach, swim in the ocean and just recharge, reset. And then when I get home, I keep everything going. I still live my dream life even when I get home. I drive my dream car. I have my dream place. Like, I literally live the life of my dreams all off this business. So I just want to let you guys know that it is definitely possible for yourself, but you got to get into the mindset that this is really going to work for you and you really can make this happen, because this didn't come off doing nothing. This didn't come off laziness. I really did learn. I really did have to take all those courses and learn from all those different people and set up the ads and spend money. Like I told you guys, I set up 30 ads before I had my first successful ad. Some of you guys set up 1-2 ads and you're like, this isn't working, I spent this, I spent that. Guys, I was buying tools I really didn't need I was buying what runs where at 3. Like, I didn't even need that stuff yet, right? I was just buying and immersing myself into the business model so that I can make a change for myself. So I know you guys really want to make a change for yourself, and that's gonna be all up to basically like where you're at skill wise. So if you're not skilled up, like I said, you can hire out or you can learn from somebody who's already done it. But if you're somebody and you know what to do, this is the video that's pushing you to take action. This is the video that's saying, hey, go on your affiliate network site right now and find an offer, pick out an offer. Once you have that offer, I want you to set up your landing page and get your ad creatives ready, right? Once you have that, launch it, guys, launch it. And if you are stuck and you don't know what to do, I have private coaching available. Book a call with me so that we can go over everything and you're not stuck, because I really want you to take action. Guys, I've been making these videos for years and years and years and years, and some of you guys still don't have campaigns set up. And I just think that's crazy. Like, do you see this? Like, do you see how I'm living on CPA Marketing and you guys are still not running traffic? You guys are still not setting. I can see if money is an issue and you may have to work a job, save up some money, things like that. And that's okay. I salute you. Stay at that job, stack your money, and work on the side on what you want your future to be. If you want your future to be running ads and living the life of your dreams, it's possible. I did it. Like I said, I worked at a warehouse. I used to have no money. I used to shop at Dollar Tree, right? But look at my life now. I live a life of abundance all because of this business. So I'm not gonna bore you guys with this video. That's all I got for this video, guys. I hope you take action today. Of course, my coaching link is down below. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.